Hello everyone, I'm Anjana Verma from SIRT Excellence. Now today I will discuss some practicals related with the OPM, Object Oriented Programming and Methodology. In your syllabus, I have put 12 experiments and we will see one by one how to solve them. So first practical of your list is write a program to illustrate, create a class factorial and calculate factorial through the function of a class. So first we will do what we will do. First we will create a class with the help of keyword class. Now I have given name of class is factorial. This factorial is totally user defined word. You can write fact also. Factorial 1, anything, whatever you want. So first we will create a class and then we will calculate factorial with the help of a function. Now I have created here 4 functions in it for initialize the value of fact f, then get name, calculate and show. Now with the help of init, we will initiate the value of f, because यदि हम उसकी वैल्यू इनिशिएट नहीं करेंगे तो कैलकुलेशंस रॉन्ग आएंगे. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वैल्यू यू वांट टू बी कैलकुलेट, किस वैल्यू का आपको फैक्टोरियल निकालना है, तो उसके लिए हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, गेट नंबर वी कैन राइट हियर, गेट NUM is better than name. So I will write here num. जो भी फंक्शन का नाम आप ऊपर डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं, दिस इज अ क्लास फैक्टोरियल एंड आई एम डिक्लेयरिंग 2 वेरिएबल्स n and f, and after that I am declaring 4 functions. The name of functions will be the same where you are describing it. यहाँ मैंने INIT init एक फंक्शन बनाया है, तो जब उस फंक्शन में क्या करना है, what to do in that function, you have to write the same name. I am describing this function, this all functions outside the class, and I am finishing the class here. Curly bracket started from the class here, and from here I am ending and semicolon लगाना है. Means आपने class का जो format बनाया है वो यहाँ खत्म हो गया. Now what to do in init function? तो हम यहाँ पर function का name लिखेंगे and the return type लिखेंगे, and after that you have to write the name of class with scope resolution operator. हम ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि ये फंक्शन फैक्टोरियल क्लास से बाइंडेड है. उसी तरह get num फंक्शन बाइंडेड विद द फैक्टोरियल क्लास, जहां पर कि हम एंटर वैल्यू ऑफ नंबर करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल कैलकुलेट द फैक्टोरियल ऑफ फंक्शन with the help of some formula, and for loop calculate also binded with factorial class, and after that we will show the factorial value. Now after that in main function we will make a object, you can say an object f, we can write here OB also, of class factorial. Now every time you have to write the same spelling. If I am taking OB for object, so you have to call every function with dot operator and object name. OB dot init, it will call init function. OB dot get name will call get num. Again, if you write name, then it will give error. Then calculate, OB dot calculate will calculate the factorial, and OB dot show will show the value of factorial. It will ask, when you run the program, it will ask enter number. If you write 5, then you will get the factorial of 5. We can see this program in C++ also. So I will open first C++ and I have already opened the function program factorial. Write a program to illustrate the class and object. सेम मैंने यहीं पर सेम काम किया है. फैक्टोरियल क्लास का नाम है. Now you can see here the green color will show the user defined words, and जो white color में दिखाई दे रहे हैं they all are the reserved word. All functions are in public area, because if you write anything in public area of class, you can call it outside the class. यदि आप प्राइवेट एरिया में लिखेंगे तो आप उसे आउटसाइड द क्लास कॉल नहीं कर पाएंगे. Now the same program I have written here, and with the help of compile function, I will compile the program, just showing success, and then I will run the program. You can see here it will ask the name 7 and the factorial 120 will be printed. Again I will run the program. I have written here 7, so it will show the factorial of 7. I think this program has been clear to you all, and if you have any query, please write, and in next time we will see the next question, which is, what will be the next question is, write a program to create a class student and print mark sheet. So we will see this program in next class. Till then, goodbye.